As me hear about Alexa, call me. I go call him right now, you know.
You can't get him. Him run
No,
1 mile with a shot in him head.
no time on
Diamond.
the funny life. Come here one day
Hear
for
me, I
me,
say.
Alex. Can you hear me? I say, Phoebe Alex,
Yeah,
young boss.
I hear Alex, man. I'm a nephew, you know. I'm a sister Pitney.
Trending and trending and trending. One more day again for the trending. People found hear my son. Me a grave. One more Tictocker just get knocked. Them call him Alex, the young boss. The man them touch him up last night. Him and them wet him up. The man get shot in him head, shot in him back, but the youth are pull through. So me a beg you for pray for the youth. Me have all kind of story phone, all kind of footage phone. In other one video, yeah. People, me have the most credible update phone. Me have live video, everything phone. In other one video, yeah, my people. Just like, share, and subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section, my people. Watch the video, yeah, and leave your thoughts.
I will take down your blood clot. Fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't do it. Adams, are you more attack? I'm not attack nobody else. Because everybody else come like them fucking dumb, bro. Nobody not try to carry on the brother. The girl post enough to do a prayer, bro. You don't come like shit. Talk, Adams.
I go on run a Bronzal, the incident go on run a Mead. The same road where them take to go run a Bronzal, and just be a bush there. And then come out from the dog, like around 3 to 4 of them. And I be a shot. Me call my dog them up near where the incident go on, and the dog them say, yeah man, I be a shot going up there. So, but the dog them pull through, see me. The dog the hospital now because when me come from work, me talk near the dog yard, which one of them close relative with it, and them I say, the dog not dead. Because when me get the news, me hear say, dead the dog dead, you know. So when me reach up by people, them now, them I tell me, say, watch out now. The dog the hospital, the dog get shot in her head and in her back. So the dog got pulled through, see me. Not more than a tears, man, not more near tears. Because people who were the near, either a bush or a bush always then go and think. People hear what going on and take with themselves, see me. So you know, more than a runs all around a mead, you know, and bush. We have be a bush there, so a lonely road. If I go through this one night time, you know, see no light, no, you know, see. And a runs all yeah, man. A place where I know, me and the dog come from the same place, let me tell you. And I don't know, rumors are no, if I rumors, I must see people, them, it does spread rumors. But shot and thing, but see me. Yeah, they're near teachers. Me, they're near teachers. I don't know, rumors are not, man. If I rumors, I must prank them and make horror. But this is a prank, yeah. People hear the shot and thing, see me. Browns all have to pass, meat figure, Browns. Teachers figure, Browns all.
Nice,
That's Browns all happen.
okay.
Yeah, man.
All we have to do, bro, I just pray for you, dog. You see me? It happen. It's just that the girl might post it. But look now, we just have to just pray. You understand? And then people are coming out with them negative energy, bro, of course. Yeah, man, pull through, I believe so, bro.
Catching Browns all the man. But I know Browns all happen.
Thank you for that information, because people are coming back with them of people. We don't know where you come from.
January trending peeps. I walk one over TikTok. I walk kind of demon over TikTok. My people, me just a watch a young youth them just a fall in our eyes. You get to me and say, Mommy, me a beg you for pray. Daddy, me a beg you for pray right now. Jamaica need prayers. You get to me and say, because them youth, you know, are the same man them in the community. I take out the youth them, you know. Are them own friend them and take them out same way. People watch a video and leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Watch the next video, people. Trending.
About the if me not see multiple people are good source. It's there. Oh Jesus Christ. See Pinkwalia. I don't know if you can see it. Update, Tictocker Alex is said to be in critical condition. Please stay tuned. Wanna go over Pinky and a Pinky main page. Yeah, Pinkwalia. Me nah come over here, come. We never say him dead. We never say him dead. We say him in a critical condition. Melissa, why you come over here laugh about Melissa? Just comment and tell me, say, wrong emoji you send Melissa. Comment and tell me, say, wrong emoji, because me no see nothing just so fi laugh about. Me no see nothing just so fi laugh about, Melissa. So just comment and say, wrong emoji. And Melissa, before me block you, I got this you up, because come like someone who have devil in a uno. Because you can see somebody can get shot in a critical condition and you come grin off your teeth. All again to fit true. I don't know often if you can't friggin' kin your teeth, but because some man are devil, Hey, God, me tell us, no just don't piss.
Like, share, and subscribe, my people. Remember to leave your thoughts, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because me have the follow up video for go on watch the next clip.
Most person on TikTok know this youth as Alex, but him change his name to Yambas. You understand? He was in a place named Bronzal, St. Catherine, near to the school. When him absent, pull up on him in a car. And me I tell you, Alex try to run for him life. Him get head injury and him get a few can in him back. It was nothing good. I mean I tell him run nearly a mile before him drop. You understand? Some people rush with him guy hospital. Him in a critical condition right now, but him still alive. You understand? So all of me can say on a pray for him. You understand? We don't know his situation, but we see him apps pull up on him. You understand? So all I have to do is go see more things in the media, but all the TikTokers them is being targeted on a Friday. Naya was on a Friday. Bossed was on a Friday. No, Alex. What is going on?
Jamaica, me I beg you to pray for the youth. Anybody and everybody who watch the video, just say a prayer for the youth. Speak life over him life. Live in the name of Jesus, bro.
Alright, so people, we just confirm say Alex, Yamed boss man TikTok. Him just get shot in the head. You see me? Where say him get shot in him car with two other children. One of them must get shot in them foot. One of them get shot in them man, you see me? Now, I don't know where this world I go dog, to be honest. But it look like a basically TikToker them program right now. You get me? Even since day me I say, bro, say TikToker come like them a job hard. I swear. So listen to me now. You see if you use a TikToker, bro, and you know you go surrounding, me I beg you do. Open up your third eye, dog, so you can see certain things, my friend. Cause you see out here so now, a trend them youth here try set. It's a whole trend thing. The man them good didn't even do nothing, but he just want to follow. Because him is a rank car, because him is a TikTok and you know it will go famous. You don't want to follow. Bro.
January trending peeps. Crime and violence take over our little land. Crime and violence take over our little country. You see what I say? Are we tired of the shooting? Because most of them youth are dead for more than for TikTok. I doubt if none of them reach 25. You see me? None of them reach 25 yet, Now you're a young youth will get dead, You see me? Both say dead around 23, 24 them say. And this are youth are young youth too. You get me I say? And the gun violence need to stop. You see me? We can't get up every day and kill off one another. So as the youth them start make one little money, as the youth them start to rise. But what me I pray for, and I pray say, I hope them youth are not mix up. Because badness and the media come like oil and water, I can't mix. If you are comedian, then you're comedy. If you're a content creator, you create a content. If you're a gunman, you go fire a gun. Because badness and the media no mix. Badness and music no mix. You see me? You can't mix badness with anything. You see me? So I hope them youth are not to mix up. You see me? Because sometimes they get themselves mixed up and then man wake them up. You get what I say? But me just pray say that youth can make it. Because sometimes God want to teach you a lesson, but sometimes I listen them hard. But we are pray for the youth. We want the youth to survive. That's the youth that can come tell him testimony. That's the youth that can get saved. That's the youth that can change him life. and other people can learn from the youth a mistake. You get to me as a trending peeps. Just like, share and subscribe for the follow-up video. Trending and trending and trending.